Hello everyone, in today's video I am going to show you how you can change the image background from this to this with the help of Canva AI. So without time wasting, let's jump into the video. First open the Canva website or app, whatever you have. Then go to the blank template. After that, import your image. I'm going to import that image. Now resize to the full template. After that, click on edit and go to the background generator. This is the Canva AI generator. After that, click on inspire me if you don't have any idea what the background is going to be, and it will automatically show you something. So after generating that command, click generate. You can see that our image background is a desert version, so you can change if you like that, or I'm going to change it with my script. So first of all, undo the step. Now again go to the edit version and click on background generator, and I'm going to put my version and I'm going to hit the generate button. Now you can see that different version is available here. Just select whatever you want and you can adjust the light from here, balance or maximum. After that, hit done button and our image is ready, but it's look like a blurry image, so we are going to upgrade it. Just click on edit button again and go to the image upscale section and hit and select 2x or 4x, whatever you want. I'm going with 2x. Now click on replace. Now our image is HD quality, and click on edit again and go to the adjust and click on auto adjust. After auto adjust, our final image is ready, and this is how you can change your image background through Canva AI. So if you like the video, please hit like button and subscribe button and share button. So see you in the next video guys. Bye.